Uh, okay, students, I am repeating the same portion again. If we want to scan,
सर अब सही आ रही है आवाज।
yes, if we want to scan a very small portion of your document, then handheld scanner is there. We can carry the handheld scanner in one in hand and scan a little portion of the document. But if we want to scan a complete A4 size paper, okay, in that case we need flatbed scanner. And if we page is very large, we need drum scanner. In a flatbed scanner, there is one cover. We take a page, insert the page inside the scanner, and then there is a laser light, just like a photostat machine. पर जो आपके पास ड्रम स्कैनर होता है उसमें पेज अंदर की तरफ जाता है पहले रोलर की हेल्प से, देन वी गेट द स्कैन्ड कॉपी. नेक्स्ट इज there is a concept keyboard. We know that when you go to any restaurant and make a order, तो in that case maybe McD or any other restaurant, तो वहां पे क्या होता है जो कीबोर्ड्स के ऊपर ईटेबल्स के नेम लिखे होते हैं. ठीक है, तो आप कीबोर्ड द पर्सन हु इज क्रिएटिंग द बिल is using the keys for quick ऑर्डर. तो वहां पे अलग अलग बटन्स के ऊपर अलग अलग ईटेबल्स के नेम्स लिखे होते हैं. विद द हेल्प ऑफ न्यूमेरिक कीपैड हम उसकी क्वांटिटी टाइप कर देते हैं और बिल क्रिएट हो जाता है. तो कंसेप्ट कीबोर्ड आर फॉर स्पेसिफिक पर्पस. दीज आर dedicated keyboards. Next is touch screen. It is also input device. Present time we have input devices that is a touch screen. With the help of your finger touch, we give the commands. For example, your tablets are there, your mobile phones are there. So with the help of touch, we give the commands. So in place of mouse, we use finger, and the screen is sensitive. It will get your commands or execute your commands. This is called touch screen. Next is barcode reader. So you have already seen there are in every product, maybe any book, there are some vertical lines, and these lines are called barcode. So in these lines there are some hidden information like product name, product date of manufacturing, product manufacturing place, the expiry date. Everything is hidden in these barcodes. So when we scan these barcodes, the information will displayed on the screen. So this is called barcode reader. Next is there are some more input devices. These are called magnetic script. So magnetic script reader, in this first is called OMR. So in exams, you have already seen there are OMR sheet. Look at here, I am giving one example. So look at here. So this is your OMR sheet. So in OMR sheet, we dark these circles, and when we put these OMR sheet in the OMR reader, it scan and the light is cross, और जिस भी circle के ऊपर light cross नहीं करती, it means this is a correct answer. So after that, with the help of software, there are some correct answers are there, and correct answer are compared with your responses, and then we get the result. So this is, for this there is a special machine, special device that is called OMR reader. OMR stand for optical mark reader, and these are used in examinations. So next is in the case of banks, there is a So look at here. In the case of a bank, in every check at the bottom there is a check number. तो ये जो check number है, that is printed with special format and with special ink. And when we give the check to the bank scan this number with the help of special machine that is called MICR machine. MICR stands for magnetic ink character reader. So this machine will scan, and in this code there is hidden information about the account holder name, account number, the branch name, branch code. Everything is hidden inside this. So this is called MICR. So in MICR, we can these are used in the bank for fast processing of checks. So there is a machine used, the device used for scanning this is called MICR reader. Next is OCR. बेटा आपने देखा होगा कई बार आप हैंड रिटन कुछ लिखते हो, तो OCR is a device look at here, it will scan the characters and after that scanning जो आपके पास character होते हैं वो आपकी कंप्यूटर में सॉफ्ट कॉपी MS वर्ड की फॉर्मेट में सेव हो जाएंगे. तो OCR it is stand for optical character reader. It will scan your document, handwritten document and create a soft copy. तो यहाँ पे जैसे यहाँ पे स्क्रीन के ऊपर तो आपके पास प्रिंटेड फॉर्मेट है, बट इवन then we can also write something, but remember one thing, writing is with the help of special ink and format will be unique. एक स्पेशल फॉर्मेट होता है, उसी फॉर्मेट में लिखना पड़ता है. अगर आपका फॉर्मेट गलत हो जाएगा तो the OCR will not recognize the characters. So this is for creating the soft copy from handwritten material. So this is OCR, but limitation is that it use special ink. जो पेन होता है वो special ink use करता है, that is called magnetic ink. And second one is the format is unique. If you change the format, then the OCR will not recognize. Next is light pen. Light pen is used for it is a device just like a pen. With the help of that you can draw something on the screen. So with the help of a light pen we can also it is also used for making digital signature. आपने अगर कहीं पे सिग्नेचर करते हो तो आपके पास विद द लाइट पेन या तो स्क्रीन के ऊपर या फिर एक पैड पड़ा होता है, पैड के ऊपर आप जो भी लिखोगे that is saved in the document. So this is called light pen. Look at here. So this is light pen. So with the help of that you can write on the screen, even you can write on the pad. तो पैड में जो भी कुछ लिखोगे वो आपके पास स्क्रीन कंप्यूटर में सेव हो जाएगा. So this is called light pen. So these are called magnetic script reader. So next type of these are input devices. So we have already discussed different input devices. Look at here. One is keyboard. Second one is mouse. Then we discuss mic. Then we discuss scanner. Then we discuss concept keyboard. Next is touch screen. Yes, better. Yes. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, are there different types of scanners to do specific work?
Yes, beta. Suppose I want to scan a signature. In that case, your handheld scanner is there. If I want to scan a complete page, A4 size page, then flatbed scanner is there. And if I want to scan a very big size of a page, In that case, drum scanner is there. So
Sir,
yes,
sir,
Beta?
the scanners are also used for X-rays and body scans.
No, Beta. These scanners are for creating soft copy from hard copy. This is only for computer purpose.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, Beta. Then there is a barcode reader. There is a MICR used in checks. OCR for reading the characters, handwritten characters. Then there is OMR. These are optical mark reader. So these are input devices. Now there is some output devices. With the help of output devices, we get the result. The common one, the famous one is called monitor. So monitor is another name of monitor is called, yes, beta, it is called VDU. The full form of VDU is visual display unit. So monitor is a screen. We get whatever we type, whatever we are doing in the computer is visible on the screen. And monitor is also called VDU. It stands for visual display unit. Different type of monitors. Look at here. One is your CRT. We see it is a very old technology, cathode ray tube, and there is a big size monitor, and clarity is not so good. So look at here. Look at here. This type of screens. So these are called CRT, cathode ray tube, just like a old type of your TV set. So in this we use cathode ray. So technology is very old technology. Next type of your monitors are, these are called LCD. These are called LCD. The full form is liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display. So this type of the monitors are present time. These are famous one. But if we see the resolution present time, there is LED. Next is LED. So yes, any student, what is the full form of LED?
Light emitting diode.
Yes. So in this, yes, there is one doubt. Student, if you have any doubt, you can raise your hands. Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Put your query, beta. Okay, students. In the case of
सर जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर था कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स,
yes, बच्चे.
सर जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर था कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर जो बैक पे दिए वही करने हैं.
No, beta. Today I will give to you, beta. Today I will send through your WhatsApp group. I will send the your assignment.
ओके सर.
Okay. Okay, students. In the case of your LCD, this screen is called TFT. TFT stands for thin film transistor. So the screen is called TFT. If we press the TFT screen, it is just like a very flexible. आप उसको प्रेस करोगे तो वो प्रेस हो जाएगी. तो इसमें लिक्विड फिल होता है, ठीक है. तो इसे हम कहते हैं TFT, thin film transistor. So next type of your monitors are, these are called plasma monitor. So the full form of plasma is is it is a short form is called PDP, plasma display panel. इसे या तो शॉर्ट में प्लाज्मा भी कह देते हैं और कई बार हम इसको PDP भी कहते हैं. It stand for plasma display panel. Plasma display panel. So this is another type of technology in which the screen is hard. In the case of TFT, screen is flexible, but in the case of PDP, the screen is just like a glass screen. And the last type of monitors, these are very expensive and give very high resolution, is called OLED. OLED stand for organic light emitting display. Organic light emitting display. And this type of monitors are very expensive and give very high resolution. So these are called these are the different monitors. So if you have any doubt in this, please put the question better. Next type of your output devices are, these are printers. Printers give us the hard copy from the soft copy. There is one doubt. Yes, better raise your hand, unmute yourself.
सर उनके OLED मॉनिटर होते हैं वो गेमिंग
Beta, for gaming purpose, because these are giving very high resolution display, so that's why we can use it in the games. But normally now OLED is replacing the LED monitors. So in future you will see that कि एक तो OLED की जो width होती है, thickness होती है, बहुत ही कम है as compared with the LED. Okay, beta. Now printers. So printers are of two types. One is impact printer. So in impact printer, there second one is non-impact printers. So there are two type of printers: impact printers and non-impact printers. And these printers, tomorrow we will continue with this topic. We will discuss the impact and non-impact printer in detail. So students, now time is over. Today I will send the assignment. Yes, beta.
सर लेजर जेट प्रिंटर भी तो होते हैं, लेजर जेट और इंकजेट.
बेटा वो इसकी कैटेगरी में आएंगे. जैसे जो आपके पास लेजर प्रिंटर होते हैं, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ नॉन इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर. और जैसे आपके पास डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर है, it is a impact printer. So tomorrow we will discuss what are the meaning of impact printer and non-impact printer and different type of printers. We will discuss tomorrow. Okay, beta, take care. Bye.